if you've got good students who are willing to learn, if you've got, engaged students, and you can also engage them in activities, I think it can work online. So I think it depends on the teacher. Whoever's teaching you, I think that's the most important thing. If you've got a good teacher who's obviously going to engage you and sort of make the children want to learn, then I think it can work quite well. Yeah.
That is what you are expected. What is the students also going to be bored with what is going on around us, online
Yeah.
learning and whatever it may be. I think you have some suggestion for the future curriculum or the learners or a teaching methodology because you already have some experience in America, England, India also.
I missed the last bit, so what did you say, sir?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you already have some experience in that is developed countries.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is from America, from England, and our countries, that is from India. What is your
Yeah.
opinion about the learning system is going on, and what is the changes you are expecting for the students?
Do you mean within online learning or generally?
Anything else, any kind of learning is the most important thing. So we are also giving importance for concepts. In your idea, that is medicine, everything will come under our social and civic literacy. First of all, we
Yeah.
are giving enriching geo-literacy because the students should know about everything depends upon this. And second one is we are also going much important for the that is microbiomes. They
Okay.
are making the changes everywhere. I think what is the first students should know about that. Everything starts from the earth itself. So that is
Yeah.
why we are giving much important for the study of earth. That is
Yeah.
geoliteracy. The second one is students are going to present about the physical chemical changes and physical chemical changes on earth and its impact on the life on earth. That is the
Yeah.
second seminar we are going to take. Okay, I think our students are getting ready with that one. Wherever and whenever necessary, we want your help to help them because you are
Yeah.
a
I
social
think
doctor.
I think you're right. I also believe that when I was learning, I think one of my favorite subjects was science and understanding it, because even if you aren't going to use it later on in life, you need it every day. So I think it's so important that you do
Devika,
teach.
that is everything is science. We can't
Yeah.
separate anything as science or language is a science.
Yeah.
Everything is a science.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, we are giving, that is why conceptual learning is also giving importance for whatever the student want to learn, let them do.
Yeah.
Based on their ability, they can start work also.
Yeah.
Not wait for the completion of MBBS or MD or whatever it may be.
Yeah.
Wherever
Exactly.
he is fit one to a small work or whatever it may be, let them do. Why we are
Yeah.
also going to wait them? Because modern students are asking that if you are going to watch something, I don't know what maybe tomorrow. Why you are
Yeah.
also compelling me to do everything? Because my experience for the last 15 years, I am telling about, I have near to 55 years of learning system. Because
Okay.
I still think whatever I learned is not good for my life.
Yeah.
Then why do you people are also compelling me to learn everything else? That is my questions. So I said, Ragimis, you should be here, please, Devika, and we can start with the students.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Go.
that is Srimati is also maybe Ragimis, please take over Srimati, as she is also want to attend other classes also.
Who is ready to present today? Srimay,
Srimati.
Darshak.
Um,
Darshak, are you ready?
Abhishek.
I have class ma'am right now. Like now I was having break time, so I came.
I think she is also the class. She told at that is 3:30 or 4 o'clock, 4:30.
Sir, for us 1 to 5, sir. 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock we have.
1 to 5 only.
Yes, sir. 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock we have class. In middle of that 5 minutes, 5 minutes we have break.
Okay, okay. 1 o'clock, that is 5 continuous classes.
Yes, sir. 1 to 5.
Oh, that is very difficult. We should also rearrange everything accordingly. The
Mm-hmm.
timing, that is the most important thing.
Yes, yes, yes. 1 to 5 in Dubai.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is for
That
boys,
is
then
in
girls
between our
separate.
time. Yeah.
Yeah, full time it
Again,
comes.
there is a separation of boys and girls there, even though it is
Yeah,
online.
And also
yeah,
at
yeah,
morning
What a
also we have
fantastic
class.
thing it is going on there.
yeah.
Sir, morning also we have class. Morning.
Boys and girls, there is a separation again.
Online also they are having
And
separate.
I can't understand that kind of things, what they
No,
think are
no.
doing there.
Actually, they plan to do the face to face, no. But now, time being, they asked to continue the same.
Okay. So I think Somil has.
So based on that, they arranged everything. Based on that, face to face, the boys and girls cannot come together. That's why they made it separate.
How do you feel, Devika, these kind of things? Is it not culture?
I don't know. I went to an all-girls school, so I don't know.
Okay, we can start with anybody else. And I think, Srimay, are you going to start anything, any presentation? Or so that is Darshak, who is?
Abhishek. I think Somil presented yesterday.
Somil present.
Yes, all presented today. Okay.
Somil.
He was trying to do some video recording.
Okay,
but,
we can. Okay, we
it's not
sometime.
completely yet, sir.
Hello, who is going to Srimay or Darshak? Who is that?
Or Abhishek.
No, sir. But sir, that video I haven't inserted. That I have done half, but it was not that well done. So I will complete it by tomorrow and insert.
No,
Now
only
I will
day after.
just present
Then next one is day after tomorrow because you should complete something else.
Yes.
Otherwise, every
Video I
wasting
will
time.
share next
Yeah.
day.
Yeah, okay.
This day I have that PPT is ready.
That is day after tomorrow.
The share screen is disabled.
Okay.
Enable share screen. Srimay, you can start with your presentation. Video, you can show it later on. Fine, once it gets.
Yes, ma'am. Once it is ready, I will show.
Fine, thank you. And now you can share.
Yes, ma'am. It's enabled. Okay. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Somil, what do you mean by this quote?
When we eat apple a day, it makes us healthy, and we will not go to doctor.
Good. This basically means that eating fruits like apples and all will make you healthier. As a result, you will not need to go to the doctor very often. But when we cut and keep, or why do apples turn brown when you cut and keep them for a few minutes or hours? Darshak?
Maybe it will be dried.
Okay, it will be dried. Any other answer?
Yes, the moisture of the air and the moisture of the apple makes, and it changes the color of the apple, and it soaks the sugar or glucose of the apple.
Good. So when we cut and keep the apple for some time, apple turns brownish and an orangish color. It depends upon the time. This is because of the oxidation. Do anyone know what is oxidation? If you know, you can answer. Okay, here we have a hyperlink. Let's check what is oxidation. So this turning of brown or the browning is because of this oxidation. Yes.
Oxidation is the loss of electrons.
Oxidation is the loss of oxygen. It's just the opposite. It's almost right. Oxidation is the gain of oxygen. That means that is absorbing the oxygen that is in the atmosphere. When we talk about oxidation, there is also another term, that is reduction. Reduction is what Darshak said. The reduction is loss of oxygen or giving out of oxygen from the substance or fruit or whatever maybe. And oxidation is the gain of oxygen. So is that clear about oxidation?
Yes.
Yes. So this is because of the absorption of oxygen by the apple or whatever fruit that is kept cut, and this browning is due to this. Yes. So all these color change and all these are a change, isn't it? Yes. But when is there any new substance being produced in it, or is there any new thing or any chemical substance being produced when this change happens?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So in this browning, the main reason for this browning is PPO, polyphenol oxidase. We can discuss.
Free ആണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഇതിൽ കയറാൻ പറയാം.
Okay. This PPO is what making this apple turn into brownish color, and this browning is due to this PPO. It is polyphenol oxidase, and when the apple gets exposed to that oxygen in the atmosphere, some new substances are being formed in this apple. Thus, it is becoming brown. This type of change where a new substance is formed is known as a chemical change. So today we are gonna discuss more about chemical change. Basically, a chemical change is a change where a new substance is produced. This can also cause color change or the melting of the object, or it can cause any of these things. In order to form a chemical change, there is a need of reaction. That means some kind of reacting. This is the ability to react with some other object is its chemical property. Like when we discussed about apple, we have discussed the oxygen have been reacted with the apple, thus the color change has occurred. Like that, one reaction is needed for a chemical change. There are many properties. Like the first property is to burn. This means this give out ashes, smokes, and carbon dioxide, all these things. We can see wood, papers, and logs and all these things being burned. And after some time, we can see that burn after a few hours when we check, we can see some ashes being formed, and those areas full of smokes and carbon dioxide and all these things. And the next type of property is rusting. Rusting is mostly found in irons or any other metal, and it is when the metal reacts with oxygen, O2. It reacts with oxygen, and some kind of rust like orangey substance are being formed in it. So there are many types of chemical change. First one is burning, next is rusting, and next is black tarnish. Mostly in spoons and all we can see silver spoons and all, and in anklets and all we can see after so many years and years we can see that silver color changed into a bit blackish color. This is black tarnish. This mainly occurs in silver spoons and all. This is a different substance that is being formed in that object or the silver spoon or whatever it may be, which is to be seen in black color. So these are the main types of chemical change that we can find in our kitchen and all these places. Sir, here I plan to keep that video. I didn't insert till now. I will insert and complete.
Okay, you should also give some of the natural changes. That is better. Okay, after this one, give some of the natural changes which is happening. What are the chemical changes in the naturally occurring on Earth? Okay, that should be this.
Yes, sir.
Introduction is very good. Okay.
So chemical. Okay. Okay, so today we have discussed about many keywords or new terms. So now I will show some of the words and you have to tell what is that or something what you have got from here about that. Oxidation. Okay, someone can tell.
Reaction with the oxygen is oxidation.
Reaction means taking in or giving out or. Darshak, can you make it a bit more?
Like oxidation is the process by which the oxygen is cleaned.
Okay, Samuel, it is a reaction with oxygen only, but oxidation is absorbing the oxygen or taking in the oxygen from the atmosphere. Next word is burning. Can someone tell? When you talk about burning, just tell some examples also.
Burning of the paper.
It's not clear. It's breaking, I think.
Burning of wood.
Okay, okay, and tell what, something that you have. Okay, next word, rusting. Hope you can hear me. Okay,
Yes.
let's go. Black tarnish.
When the silver color spoon is there, it changes to the black color. It shows the black tarnish.
Good. Next, reduction.
Reaction is the loss of oxygen.
Yes, the loss of oxygen. Yeah, that's it. Sir, that's it that I have prepared till now. Tomorrow I will complete it and let's
Okay.
are muted.
Sir, can I leave? If my next period is free, then I will join again.
Sir,
Sir,
please unmute yourself. Sir, your mic. Huh?
Got it, got it.
Okay, okay. Fine, Darshak, any problem, beta?
Ma'am, like now I have class. If my period is free, I will join. Ma'am.
You have class right now, so when it will get complete?
Ma'am, it will get completed at 2:35. Before, if that period is free, I will join.
Okay, before period is free, you will join. Okay, fine. He has a
Online free period also there. Oh, fantastic.
If teacher is not there, it is free period. So
Girls
Devika,
Model School invented many devices. My God.
it's all school going on without building.
Sir,
Yes, yes. Devika, I want your feedback for the Srimai's presentation, and then Abhishek, if you are ready with you can come forward.
ma'am, I have to prepare only the quiz. If I prepare that quiz, I can show you.
Okay, rest of presentation you can share.
I'm still now completing.
Not completed. Okay, fine. So I
Due
think
to the classes at tuition.
okay, presentation is not yet completed. Fine. So tomorrow you will able to complete or day after?
Ma'am,
Better
tomorrow.
after tomorrow, and we can give you one more day to present or to prepare
We
presentation.
can give one more day for them. Day after is better. Okay.
Day after is better because they are not ready with their presentations, and some of the videos also they need to record for the presentation.
Yes, sir.
So your
Video, it's taking
your
time.
mic is mute.
Media is really, you should prepare, not download from
Yes,
anywhere
sir.
else.
That's why I said today classes there. That's why I didn't get to prepare.
All the videos coming together, we are going to make a film on that. It is 100% education film, that is the physical climate changes, chemical changes on Earth and its impact on life on Earth. That is our video film. Okay. You are the directors, you are the script writers, you are the players, everything.
Yes,
And
actors.
direction, acting, everything they should do. But whenever you are the concept is ready, we will also lose you. Otherwise, we are also keeping and always with you. After that,
Yes,
we are
Devika
not.
wants to say something. Devika, please.
I was
Okay,
gonna say, Shrima, did you do all that by yourself? Like that was all you? You did it by yourself, the presentation? Did you complete it by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
I think such clarity in her thought. She knows exactly what she's saying, and I mean, I can only compare it with the children here, but for your age and your standard, very well spoken, and she's very confident in what she's trying to say as well, which means that she understands what she's saying. To that level, I think you've done so well. For honestly, I'm quite amazed at the levels that you have over there are beyond what we have here. So very good. I don't think I was that confident when I was your age.
That is not beyond, but it is a natural, real capacity of the children.
Yes. Once
We should not limit them with some kind of syllabus or examination. The examination should be conducted only when there is a necessary to know whether he know for a job or something else. Otherwise, why do we conduct an examination for a certificate? For example, in your profession, you can very easily experience that one in India. Many of the, that is, I think what I know personally, near about 40 to 45, 50%, that is, doctors are good for nothing. I can prove it with my knowledge. I have little knowledge about this medicine.
Yeah, here it is like that, sir, because fee they give until they learn, then they don't know anything. That's
because
the main
they
reason.
are learning only to have some kind of that status, and after that some money also, because still this status is based on the money. That is, it is, and students are learning based on that, and parents also. I want to share one example. Everybody know that one. One teacher from that is Uttar Pradesh. Her husband is from IIT product. He is one of the giant officer in somewhere else. She want her son must go to IIT. That is the parent still here, educated, what we are telling. Whenever he come from IIT, what he is going to do? He are not like this. He want to be a scientist in his own way. But they are not, because they want a label IIT, they want a label BTech from there itself. But they, I think what they are running, they didn't know that they are not minding whether all the inventions are made by not from the IITs. Even your medicine, it is not school has made the medicine, the first stage. The Ayurveda doctors and the Veda period, they have made everything else. So that kind of knowledge, we are really want our students to do like this. Because it is possible, there are possibilities. Now we are also going to tell about that is everything we can see on earth. All this, because actually it is, we should also look much important for the microorganisms. Now we are under the control of corona. It is a microorganism. We can't run away from there. Then what we all learn now? Nothing. That should be, we will eliminate that kind of things from the students also. We are not limiting with this is the way, this is the way, this is the way. Let them do. Whenever they come with the film and the society is going to read what we are doing here.
Like I appreciate that type of learning. It's
We
wholesome.
don't, we want appreciation, but we want more help.
We need
Not only appreciation. But all children are want seekers, because whenever they are going some kind of doubt there we want to some kind of interpretation there. Otherwise, they will go with else.
Yeah.
we are looking for some that kind of special people in our group so that they can help out the students in that particular areas if they want to know more about it. Fine. So Alia and Rashid has also joined us. Good evening, Alia. Good evening, Rashid.
Good evening, ma'am.
I hope you have some.
Some school only. School. All are having school today. Just now finished the school and they.
Okay, you all have started with the school there in Dubai.
I think we can also go into 1 or 2 days in a week is more than enough to learn everything else.
Yes.
We can get that. No need today everything and every time come and do something. No need of that.
Okay. Twice in a week or alternate day is sufficient, I think. For them
let's
also,
check with
they also need some time to present and study and every day. They have started with the school because here in India still there is no confirmation that when we are going to start with the schools now. Though we are getting some notifications like after 15th of September, we are going to start with the higher classes first, but still it's we are not sure whether we are going to start with the schools. So right now it's going online only.
Let them share something else, Jackie, please.
Right. So,
Alia Rashid.
Abhishek, you want to share something?
Yes, ma'am. No, I will share tomorrow because I have to prepare some more.
Day after only. Alia and Rashid, do you want to share something else?
Nothing now. It's on Saturday. Nothing.
You didn't prepare anything? Do you want to share any idea, or do you have any kind of clarification? Do you want any clarification on any of the part of whatever we have shared with you?
On Saturday we're doing the seminar, right? So we got the topics and we'll just talk about that. That's it, right? That day.
Not talk about that. You should prepare a PPT or a film or a video. You should also going to present that. What we are going to present, you should present before us. And share with all your friends, then only we are going to present it, okay?
Okay.
Today we finalized whether it is on Saturday. Let's see.
Saturday or thing we can think because many are also want time to prepare accordingly. Whenever you are in the field sing, no need to worry about that because everything we are going to cover. Next, we are also going to cover about the mass on earth. Wherever the mass in nursery, we are not giving any kind of algebra. Whenever we are going to show where the algebra is necessary. Why we are going to learn algebra. This is kind of it is a urgency we should make. Without this, we can't move. That is the way we are going to do. Whenever we are doing such kind of things, it is you can find out. Mathematics is also so easy because it is usually we are using. It is so usual and so simple. But my kind of the syllabus makes us something, including something without any kind of clarification where it is necessary. That is, students are struggling. And teacher has no idea about how to interpret, because teacher has no idea to legislate the policies for the classroom. Here we are helping the teachers to legislate the policy. Because whenever the student is there, whatever the need is there, they based on that one, rather than the formula that should be imparted to the students compulsory. That is not good.
Yes. So it's if they start with the application part, then it will be more easy for them to understand the concepts. So what exactly we are doing is just opposite with our syllabus. We never reach to the application part, and here we are trying the students to start with the applications where you can able to apply those so that they can come with the concept directly. And that concept is for their life. It's not for any kind of examination or any kind of assessment. It's for their life. They'll remember the concepts forever. So this is what actually we want here, and for that we are looking for the experts of the field, so that they can come and help the students, and so that they also become experts in that particular area. Right. So I think these students are not ready with their presentations today. So we can call them day after tomorrow.
Ma'am, tomorrow is enough.
Tomorrow sometimes is not possible. That is why we are also one more day, but better to arrange, I think. Rashid and Ali, and I want to tell Ali and Rashid, do you have any idea to share?
Sir, what I thought was to do a presentation and share.
Okay.
Okay.
And share your idea now. What you are going to do?
I'll make a presentation about a brief explanation about physical and chemical changes and their characteristics.
Okay, go ahead. Do you have?
No, so I'm preparing it.
Okay. But much concentration should be given on the natural changes rather than the bookish. Okay, leave the book. No need of that. Because you are now, that is, she has taken the class 12 syllabus. Syllabus base. Because we are not well syllabus base or not. Whatever you can, you should come forward. Okay, never think about the syllabus, because whenever you are going to do like this, we will help you out to prepare question papers, your own question paper. That will help you to write any examination from any part. And second one is whenever conceptual learning, based on the question, we can understand ourselves what is the quantity of answer. No student in the world has no idea about what is the quantity of answer. A teacher is blindly giving 5 marks. What is the 5 mark? What is the basic things of that 5 mark? Philosophy, no philosophy at all. Because they are following what is the previous question papers. But there is the basic principle based on, because we are going to measure the students' knowledge capacity and application level, everything within the limited period. So how much the student is able to express this idea within the limited period based on their age. That is only the education system.
Yes.
Otherwise, we can't do anything else. That is the best to say, what I am telling.
Just without boundaries of classes and syllabus and grades, let them learn whatever, and what level they can take themselves is up to them. So most of the students here, they are actually taking out something which is according to the syllabus is something of higher grades, what we are finding.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes.
Darshak, do you have anything else to present?
No, sir.
Not at. Okay.
The Darshak got free period. Darshak?
Free period.
Yes,
This one want to do something with the change, physical and chemical change with the mathematics collaboration. That is very good. Find it.
Okay. So day after tomorrow, you all will be ready with some or other kind of presentations, maybe video recording, some experiments if you want to show.